how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today I have Empress Mimi to open, and it came in seriously such a pretty box. Like, I almost don't want to open it because it's so pretty, but of course I'm going to open it because I bet whatever's inside here is even prettier. But on here it says La Vie en Rose Empress Mimi. Maybe that's in French or something, I don't know. But Empress Mimi is a lingerie subscription. So they have a subscription, or actually several subscription plans, and they also have a shop. So someone said something about how I may have misquoted their pricing in my last video. So I just want to make it clear. I'm gonna pull up their website. Let's go over that really quick before we do the unboxing. So I'm going to link down below both their subscription page as well as their shop page if you just want to go directly and see what they have in their shop. They did give me a code that gets you 30% off any orders from their subscriptions or their shop, so that'll be down below as well. And it's not an affiliated code, so it just helps you guys out, just so you know. So they have 3 different subscription options here. It says build your Empress Box. Every month, Empress Mimi sends you a box of lingerie curated to your preferences. So the first one is the House of Frillies box, and this one is $18.95. If you subscribe to multiple months at a time, the price does go down. And in the House of Frillies box, you get 1 pair of surprise undies that are as fabulous as they are comfortable to your doorstep every month. It says ditch those old Bridget Jones undies and stock up your underwear drawer with our fabulous collection. So you can select your size and unwrap briefs, thongs, and lacy panties that will make you swoon on a monthly basis. The next one is called the Queen Box, and this monthly price is $39.95, but again, I believe it goes down in price if you purchase more months at a time. But the Queen Box delivers a set of matching lingerie combining fabulous designs with perfect fit and comfort, all beautifully packaged in a custom designed box. With our wire-free bralette designs, you can truly wave goodbye to the underwire and enjoy pieces that are as comfortable as they are sexy. Select your size and unwrap bodysuits, negligees, and matching sets of lingerie every month that are sure to set your hearts racing. And it has some flame emojis. And then the biggest one of all is called the Empress Box, and this is a whopping $99.95. And it says, Empress Mimi's Empress Box is the ultimate lingerie subscription experience for the truly spoiled ones among us. Sure, you could just get the panties. Of course, a matching set each month would be great, but it takes a true empress to demand a marabou kimonos and jewelry and kinky whips on the monthly to educate your humble servants into submission. You really, really do not need this, but has that ever stopped you before? But has that ever stopped you before now, has it? The Empress receives monthly gift boxes with matching sets of fabulous lingerie, accompanied by gorgeous accessories, jewelry, loungewear, and kimonos, just because. Wow, I like the sounds of that. That sounds awesome. I mean, they all sound great. So I really enjoyed everything I received. So again, I'm going to link their actual shop down below too, so you can actually see some of the pieces I've gotten in the past. And like the bralette I got last month is $75 alone, not even including the briefs. The panties are $35. So I got over $100 value in my box, and I believe I received the Queen Box, so like it's like around $40 monthly, or cheaper if you use my code, or if you subscribe to like 3 or 6 months. So that is a great deal. So they offer great things from their shop in their subscription plan for less money. So hopefully I was more clear then. So I'm going to link them down below like I've already said. So now let's get unboxing. Oh, and I'm going to link down below a giveaway going on. I had forgotten to mention this in several videos, but I do have a giveaway going on in conjunction with Yode if you want to get a great deal on some sunglasses. They're really cute. I actually wore my Yode sunglasses all weekend. I was out on the boat, so if I look a little red, I was outside for 2 days straight, and I'm Irish, couldn't help it. Wore my SPF though, but yeah, those sunglasses at least protected my eyes. But anyways, that giveaway link will be down below. So let's finally get unboxing this beautiful box. Right, here's it up close without that ribbon. Definitely want to reuse this box for something. It's so pretty. Inside, this is what I see. There's a card here. It says La Vie en Rose, or Rose. Again, Don't know if that's French or what. This box actually ships worldwide from the UK, just so you know, which is really cool. So it has some information here. This card is even so pretty. It says, Dear Empress, we know how hectic life can get. You're balancing everything from a career and friendships to keeping up with the 24-hour news cycle and social media. Our new La Vie en Rose box is an ode to looking at life through rose-tinted glasses and taking moments out of your day to simply stop and appreciate all of the beauty in your life. Put this pretty set on first thing in the morning and let its understated yet sultry elegance remind you to take a break during your no doubt busy day to stop and smell the roses. With love, Empress Mimi. And then it talks about what comes in each of the different boxes. So what's in a box? In the House of Frillies, it says, inspired by all things French, the Vie en Rose briefs are cut from luxurious stretched satin and traced by dainty lace. Let the adjustable side straps and flattering low-rise waist design put the femme in your fatale. On the Queen box, you get a plush pink silk satin cups and briefs that feature pretty French lace across the décolleté edges and hems. The bra's adjustable straps make strikingly at the back and add a modern twist to this vintage-inspired design. Stylish and comfortable enough for every day, a match made in rose heaven. And if you get the Empress box, the bougiest of the boxes, you get white satin negligee, am I saying that right, negligee, delicately modeled with lace, a piece that is best for lounging in and was designed to drape over your divine figure. So again, that's what the card looks like, super pretty. And in here there is a return slip, so they do offer returns and exchanges, which is great, and you have 14 days to do so. So I think that's a pretty good window, so that is great, and they just talk more about that on here. And then they also talk about their referral program. So they do have a refer a friend program. You refer 3 friends and your next box is on them, so awesome. But now let's get to what we're all waiting for, or all have been waiting for. What did we get this month? It looks so beautiful. Oh my god, you guys. This is so dainty and pretty, just like they said. So here is the bralette. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So there's a clasp in the back and adjustable straps I can see. And there's the option to put like cups or like stuff in there, one of the padding in there if you want. I don't need any extra padding, to be honest. But look how pretty this is. If I tried this on, I'm pretty positive I would have my channel demonetized. But I can't wait to wear this. Oh my gosh, this is like exactly what I love. So there's the back. Clasp, oh my gosh. Even the clasp is, or the back is adjustable too. I've never seen that. That's super nice. Yeah. And so they just go by like small, like to extra large or to even bigger. I get a size large. Usually the tops have been fitting my bust. I was worried at first because it is UK sizing. Sometimes it's smaller, you know, but the large has been fitting me. And I think this is so pretty. And of course we have some matching panties. Oh my god, these are so pretty too. And these are also adjustable. Wow, I'm impressed. So this is the front. And here is the back. Oh my god, these are so pretty. And you can see, like, I've never seen this on underwear. Like, you can adjust it. So if it's a little snug, a little big, you can adjust the sides. That is so genius. These are so pretty. I love how it comes matching every month. This is like totally my style. Like the black pair like last month was definitely sexy and stuff, but this is like so cute and sexy. Like I love it. Oh my gosh. So let's see, does it say what this is made out of on here? So 92% polyester, 8% elastane. Again, it says it's a size large, lovingly created by Empress Mimi in London. This delicate handmade garment needs gentle care. Hand wash with cold water and mild soap. Lay flat to dry and wear with love. I love this set so much. It's seriously so pretty. And I can't get over that even the underwear is adjustable. And this bralette, oh my gosh. I want to like go put this on now. There's something about like wearing like sexy silky little things, even if no one else knows. It just gives you a little bit more of like an oomph that day. Like a little bit more confidence, something about it, you know what I mean? So I think this was my all-time favorite month by them. What do you guys think? So this is of course the Queen box. So yes, so pretty. Yeah, and they talk about how this is a modern twist to a vintage inspired design. It definitely does have like a vintage sexy like feel to it. So that is awesome. So if you just got the House of Frillies box, you would just get the bottoms, which are beautiful themselves. Like seriously, so pretty. And then if you got the bougie box, the Empress box, you would also get like a white satin negligee. Why can't I say that word? Let me look it up.
Negligee. Negligee. Negligee.
A woman's light dressing gown, typically made of filmy, soft fabric. So it's like a sexy little nightie. Negligee sounds so much better than nightie. Nightie like reminds me of like older woman type thing. So yeah, now I'm looking at some pictures online. They're pretty hot. Too hot for me to probably turn my thing around and show you. But anyways, you guys, I loved this box so much. I can't wait to wear it. I mean, I love how even the card matches the theme. The colors, everything about this, how it's adjustable, the vintage, yet cute, yet sexy style. Like this is seriously my favorite ever. I love it. But anyways, like I've said multiple times, I'm going to link them down below along with the promo code, the giveaway, and I always leave my social media handles down below if you guys want to become friends. Well, we are friends, right? But if you want to chat in between uploads, you can find me there. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!